Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to July Junk Journal Challenge 2025. And it's hosted by Lee's Art and Junk Journal Wonderland. And I'm playing catch up on days 16 through 20. Basically, the whole 5 days, because you don't do, it's weekdays only. The challenge is only weekdays, not weekends. But I'm basically doing all 5 days. And I'm just going to do one layout for a postcard, found in the forest, bird, tea bag, and old person. All right, so first for postcard, I want to create one. And let's see, let me put our little holder, our back in its holder. And I need to find a page. I think I'll give it its own separate page. I think I'm going to skip one because I think I'm going to let the postcard go here. And then we're going to do some other stuff with this page. And these two will be, I think this would be a good page to work with. Maybe. Or maybe I could actually work back here. I'm just going to go ahead and work right here where I originally said. All right, so for postcard, obviously I'm going to make a postcard, and I'm going to use this gorgeous paper. Ooh. I've gotten this off of Cherylini's Live. She and Darcy Sanders, they sell stuff like craft supplies, and I think this is one of the gel prints or something like that, and I love both sides. All right, so we're gonna make a little postcard. I'm gonna make sure that it can fit in here, but it's not gonna be a very big one. I'm just gonna make sure it's gonna fit, like it can tuck in there, so I'm probably gonna make it the size of, let's see here, maybe 3. Yeah, we'll just make it small. I'm gonna make like a 3 by 5, I guess. 3 by 5. Little postcard. And I love these colors. I always navigate to these colors for some reason. Okay, and then we're just gonna, I think I'm gonna round the edges off. Yeah. And then I'm going to do some stamping. I've got some little postal stamps by Bo Bunny. I'm going to do that. And then we will have our postcard. I'm going to stress the edges right quick. simple postcard that I can set in here. Alright, so now the next one, let's see. Is found in the forest. So what do we usually find in the forest? We find mushrooms and different things like that. So we're going to do found in the forest, bird, tea bag, and old person. So I've got it. This is a tea bag that was stamped, and I'm just going to add this on here. This is going to be part of the background, this little background right here. And I'm just going to randomly just glue it on. I don't even know. I haven't even thought this through yet, but I'm just going to start gluing. I made this back when I was doing the tea time for hashtag how do you do art. It's either March or April, I can't remember one of them. And that's when I did that. Let me just use my other glue because this one's not working. Just use some art glitter glue. I'm just going to randomly put this on here. Well, let me put it up like this. So we have our tea bag, which I'm using as a background. And then I'm going to want something found in the forest. We find trees and flowers and different little things in the forest. You find bugs. Okay, so now we finally finished. And so for postcard, here is the postcard that I made using the gel print and stamps and things like that. Love that those colors and the front and the back. So that's a great journaling spot. And then for Found in the Forest, well, the whole theme is like in the forest. So, because you have like a flower, you have mushrooms, you have little insects and things. I made this cluster like a month or so ago, and then it's like magical in the forest. And then over here you have like floral theme. I also made these. This is like a hidden paper clip that I had made a few weeks ago. Then that's also a little bug. And then here's this little tag that has like postcard found in the forest. And then bird, we have our bird right here. And the bird is also found in the forest. Tea bag. I had a tea bag that I had stamped on. And so I used it as like a backdrop. I decoupaged it, and that's why it has like that shiny look on it. And then old person, I just used one of the Tim Holtz, what do you call those little people? And she would be considered old today, I guess, if she were from back in the day. So yeah, so I have my old person, tea bag, bird, found in the forest, and then postcard. So we have all of our prompts for this week, so I'm pretty much caught up now. So if you want to participate in the Junk Journal Challenge, just use the hashtag JJJC2025, and that way Lee can see your work and stuff, or we can all see your work.